maaso bakoyo okubayisaamu olugaayu. Minisita yavaayo n'ayogera ku kyempisa mu bayimbi n'ayimiriza n'abayimbi abakyala especially
abambala obukete
exactly ogenda mu
ejjira mugundi mu kasikati nga ddala tosobola kutta makulonda peeni.
Thank you. Kaakati nno takomye okwo waliwo ekivvulu kye tubadde tumanyi tukero kyesonga bakiyita nyege nyege
nga mukuwana ekibeera eri abaana banyenya buli kimu ekiri ku mubiri.
I'm one of the sad people. I don't know if really the parliament
you know,
goes
sometimes
through
people need
this.
Such moments. Abantu babeera into depression, so buli babeera nga fun can be available. Bakireka abantu bakibeeremu.
So bagambye ekivvulu kino bali contesting because they have petitioned for this event not to be there. Nti kyonoona eggwanga kyonoona society nti obuseegu bubeera eri mwenyegera mwenyiga
above 18. The people that are always there are above 18, but anyway nsuubira basobola oteekako regulations ku bice ebirina okubeera mu kivvulu ekyo.
No, I think before you make such a drastic decision like Tash is saying, we can really set standards nogamba okay mugenda beera leero tubalaba.
Gwe banakwata naddala abaana bakozesa ebiragalagala mujjukire nti bibi gwe bakwatira ku biragalalagala bajja musiba parents.
Ekiwandiiko kya Parliament, the Parliament has stopped the Nyege Nyege festival, an annual social event scheduled to take place next week in Jinja. Tororo Women MP Honorable Saro Pendi.
Naye Saro oli watamu mukyalo oyo
Honorable Chontu.
Jambaza mu line.
Speaker on Nyege Nyege naye n'agamba we are talking about morality of this country.
Okay.
We are talking about our children.
Okay.
You are trying to promote tourism at the expense of our children. We are not going to allow this function to take place.
Oh my God.
My question is, which children? I think these kids can be limited.
I know. You know, sometimes Jacksa nsuubira nti abakulu bano, you know, sometimes abantu fena tulina buvunanyizibwa bwe bumu. Mulimu emyaka mwe tulina okusanyukira, mulimu n'emyaka mwe tulina okubeera sad. So nsuubira mulimu emyaka abavubuka we beetaagira fun, but let the government regulate them, you know. Muyina bye mutalina kukola nammwe nga mubimanyi. Nga okosa ebiragalalagala maama wo yaagira. Mukwano gwo omwana w'omugagga wamala obbinywa akamutwala mu rehab ng'odda kukuba okuba bantu mayinja ku kyalo.
But said and done.
About you.
Said and done. Like we say, the chief chibade tourism.
Very.
Can we regulate it better other than stopping it at? Because think about the promoter who has invested in it.
I know.
Think about the so many people that are getting jobs out of this.
I know.
Anyway,
abatunda amazzi mu kivvulu kino bafunamu nnyo.
Exactly. Katoka tulabe Parliament ku nsonga eno. You can comment on our socials how best we can go about this.
Okay.
Regarding the Nyege Nyege event. And in this Nyege Nyege, it spells out clearly that it is an event which promotes a lot of immorality. And this immorality is something which is not wanted in our country. So, it was on floor of Parliament. I had to give my side of the coin. And Parliament has resolved that with all what entails in the Nyege Nyege. Nyege Nyege must stop. Why should it stop? Because they take underage children, they do a lot of immoral activity there, immoral activities which are not even worth to be mentioned on TV.
So when songa batuka mu Parliament nebezitoye
ebefuuse national concern ebatekyali kugundi ku matere getuzinira mu Nyege. I know.
Ngaye bagumiza zino.
I know. Isinga bagamba bana oluguudo lwe Katwe luno Katwe eri mugundi oluve Makindye no branching Salama Road
ne bazigumiza
ne bazitukolera
then neza gundi oyiro mafuta
bakola Nyege Nyege ne bino babitwogerereyo bambi aba.
But anyway,
you're right.
Katulabe, let's see how it transpires. Wabade bagenda bera after party confusion auto spectally this Friday. So nabye
after party ya Nyege Nyege.
Yes.
That means a lot of people are actually losing out in this. Yeah.
Kali katugenda kumboze ndala. Gravity yesterday was with us.